Show you a very quick tune, Happy Birthday, nice and easy. So all you need for this is a guitar, some hands, there's two. So this tune comes in massively handy, it's pretty well known. So let's just go for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the index finger, the first finger of the left hand, and we're only going to use the thumb of the right hand. There we go. And we're just going to use the E string, so this is the top E string here on your guitar. Okay? Now, you'll obviously need a guitar, and hopefully on your guitar you'll have some dots, which would be good. Okay? So, firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to do this bit here, section number 1, which goes very simply. And that's really easy. You just use your thumb open, so no fingers down on the left hand. You do it twice, and then put your index finger on the 2nd fret, press down really hard, and then take it off. Okay, second part, you pop your index finger on the 1st dot, the 5th fret. Okay, 1st dot. Then the 2nd section you're going to do the same thing, and then you're going to do 2nd dot, 1st dot. So 1st section, 2nd section, 2nd dot. Then this is the very exciting bit. You're going to go, this is the 3rd section, open, open, and then on the 12th. So you may have 2 dots for this, and then on the 9th, so the 3rd dot, and then 1st dot, 4, 2, so that's the 3rd section. So we're going 1st section, 2nd section, and then 3rd section, 12, 5, 4, 2, and then the last section, number 10, and then you end on the 1st dot. And that is how you play Happy Birthday really quickly. Go for it.